And now we are looking for the formatting. So go to the min of the quantity 2. Under the marks, you can see these are the, like under the marks, you can see the all min quantity 2. So the idea is like to first drag out everything from the portal. Now we have the superimposing value. Just go for the resizing of the value. Just make it short as per your taste. How would you like to make it? And make it color as a white so that it should looks like a nice way. And now looking for the summary of the value. This is the, for me, it's a percentage of sales. So I'm putting the sales value inside, and now you can see the sales value all together and the percentage distributed. So this is like for the sales segment. Once you have, and again, you can just remove this all border and everything by using the formatting standard. What we have done yesterday. Not going to repeat. So this is the like a donut chart. Again, repeating the concepts. These are the like under this chart we have seen. First, we have to replicate pie chart. We have seen the table calculations, percentage of total. Apart from that, we have seen the dual axis concept by creating a two pseudo columns, superimposing values, some formatting standards. Like in this case, we have the min quantity 2, we have the two axes all together, and putting the superimposing of the chart in a nice way. So this is the like a donut chart as well. Any doubt, any query, you can ask me. If you are able to fix on your machine, just let me know. I'm happy to fix on your machine as well. And I'm going to rename this uh, you chart because it is completely changed now. Okay, percentage of sales. You can see we have a couple of charts ready with us, and we are going to do many things in a nice way. Any query, any doubt, please let me know. Are we good? Yes? No? Believe me, it seems like. Can you please repeat? No. Okay. Uh, these are the very tricky things once you are working. Uh, if you think like you will do it later, it will be pretty hard. I'm available. You can reply to me in a time period. And if you do parallelly, it will be simply great. And today is like a third session. Once you complete this third session, it will be a, like a 75% full for the part because we have Tableau 4 sessions. So the last sections I will be focus on some dashboarding, some formatting standards for the dashboard. Right now we are not doing much formatting in terms of the dashboarding. These are the simple at the report or the sheet level. So that will take time and to produce such results. So that's why I'm asking, like if you're looking for such formatting standards or such development, please do it with me. We have already 4, 5, 6 kind of sheets already. So we are moving in a nice space, I would say. So please be uh, just make the hands-on parallelly with me. That's why I'm giving always a buffer of time, like couple of seconds, to replicate the thing. Okay. So we have the cross tab report, we have the list report. Now we can go for the next level of the report, and that is the another value, like how to find out the value altogether. Uh, just give me a second. Here, here, here. Just give me a second. I'm just checking some content where exactly the things are. So we are looking for the next level of the charts altogether, and be with me. It's getting very exciting now. Uh, Now we are looking for the some charts like which are very fascinated. First, we will look into the some charts at the level of the histogram or maybe anything like let me start one by one because it will take time. It is not. So for the histogram, sorry for my machine, it's working very weird now. So for histogram, like histogram are generally a bar chart and along with the some bin value. So bin values are the like segmented values. Like we are creating a range, a set of values altogether. So I'm taking a very simple example for the histogram, but you can go for the next level. Like histogram, whenever we create a bin in the sense, like we have some grading of the values altogether. We are looking for the like you have the mark sheet, and based on the mark sheet, you are putting the grade like grade A, B, C, D. Grade A stands like 80 to 100%. Grade B stands for like 75 to 60 to 80%. Then grade C you can consider 40 to 60%, and grade D is like not performing well. So such kind of grading you can create, and this grading, this range of values like 80 to 100, 60 to 80, 40 to 60, such kind of things you can like put under the range of values, and that is called as a bin. So let it be treated. How? Just take a quantity because we have this only the number, rest of the values are the like bin should be in a nice way. So just double click over here. You have the some bar chart is appearing on the on your area. Just double click on the quantity. After doing this, after doing this, just go to the show me. Under the show me, you have a multiple option for the chart. Now you can see you have the bar chart like horizontal. You can take the for a histogram. So if you put the mouse on the histogram, you can see histogram is showing like to create a bin between not available for all measures because it's a creating a bin means it's a creating a segments. So segments like one measure is required. So one measure is there already what we have taken the sum of quantity. If you double click on a histogram, you will get your chart on your machine. So how does it work? The concept is like getting changed. We have the quantity under the rows now. You can see the count of quantity, and under the columns you can see the quantity bin. So quantity bin under the columns has been created, and how we can see the set of values 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 2000. So to make it in a nice way, histogram, whatever we have, so we are looking for the quantity histogram and let's see, easy quantity, whatever. Because right now I'm not able to click a good title, so I'm just taking a random just for my understanding what exactly it is. Wow. And now we can make it in a nice way. So you can see the x-axis are like some point 0.5 distributions. So just select this axis, make a right click, go to the edit axis, and under the edit axis, you can see the general, automatic, custom, whatever. So I'm going to make it as a fixed and up to the 16. So just whatever the values I'm changing, you can see on the x-axis, the values are getting changed. Go to the tick marks, and even the title, you can make it as a change like uh, bin uh, quantity bin, quantity bins are created. title is getting changed, and go to the tick marks. Under the tick marks, you can see the values are there, and I'm going to fix the value in a different way. Rather than taking automatic, I'm taking an interval of the 2. So please be with me. Sorry, sorry, come on. Now you can see the axis is getting changed 0.5 to the 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 15. Because we have put it the range for the 60. Everybody able to do this. Like what we have done, you can see the x-axis title is now changed to the quantity bins, and the values are also replicated at the two range of value. Now, what we are going to do, just make a right click. Why it is appearing? Because again, go to the actions. Under the actions, you need to uncheck for the sheet 7, because by default it is selecting all the tabs. Fields by category it is there. That's why I put the name as it is. This is the reason only. Now it will work good. Just right click on the chart and make it as a just give me a second, please. Um, you can put the chart, color, whatever you are looking for, quantity or shape mode, and for the size, just go for the size, and rather than going for the fixed, just mention as a like one, and you can see the difference of the chart itself. So it looks histogram kind of management, as well as if you go for the arrangement of the values, you can put the values in a nice shape as well. So this is like, and you can change the value over here. Count of quantity, just make it as a different name, like count of quantity, like number of quantity altogether, and you can even you can define the values also. Tick marks rather than taking as a like 1,000, you can take as a, just give me a second, fixed, or you can give as a 500 as well, whatever way it is provided earlier. Automatic, so you can see the 500 values, which seems very nice. Okay, so now you can see the data altogether. Even if you are looking for the values need to be displayed on the chart, then what you can do, just put the quantity on the labels, and now you can see the values, and you can hide this show header, so it looks much better than the earlier. If you're looking for the chart wise, then you can go for the shift mode or any kind of thing under the color, and you can see the chart as well. So this is like how the you can define the chart, and the color is by default. Rather than shift mode, we can take a segment, which is the better idea because we have done the selection. So you have the segment values altogether. Some values are hiding itself. You can take click on the allow label and allow label for all. Any doubt, any query, please let me know. So this is for the like histogram kind of chart we are looking for. You can make a size of the histogram in any like any kind of format. Like you can see what we have done. You can make a size in a like 1 or 1.5, whatever. It looks pretty. So whatever you can decide the fix of the size, and below is the range of the values altogether. So this is like histogram, and this is using quantity. along with segment. Any doubt, any query, please let me know. All good? Hello? Able to replicate on your machine? Kindly confirm yes or no. Nilesh, Rajal, Sumit, Vineet. Okay, okay. Thanks. So the next chart, whatever I'm trying to replicate, that is a more tricky part. And like whatever we have seen, that's a waterfall chart. So we are looking for the many charts altogether. So obviously, and we can make a drill down also on each and everything. So doesn't matter. We can develop in a nice. So waterfall chart because this is most of the times is required also. So name it. So for the waterfall chart, what we can do? Just give me a second. Okay. So for the waterfall chart, what is the objective of the waterfall chart is like, whenever you have the sequence of values all together, like positive and negative, and you're looking for the values to be defined in an incremental way. So as I mentioned, like if you have uh, like each chart has a business meaning. Like I explained for the bar chart, pie chart, or you can say the line chart. In the same way, we have the or histogram chart. Like histogram chart, whenever you have the different set of values you want to put under the range in the bin, then you can say the number of values altogether. Like in a waterfall chart, whenever you are looking for the some incremental values need to be displayed. And how does it matter? It starts from value, the starting point, to the ending point, and how it is cumulative or the running total is going to impact on your chart. So waterfall chart to showcase the cumulative effect on the each and every segment. So whenever you need to compare with the old pattern where you are, whenever you have the old chart you are going to compare with the new one, then you can take a waterfall chart. So okay, be on my machine and then we can develop our report altogether. So what you can do, please, this is a very good chart. Means maybe the look and feel wise not very fascinating, but there are a lot of things are coming for the concept wise. How we can do it. Okay. So please be with me again, and because today I'm much focusing on the charts and the related concepts altogether. Maybe we will be able to pick it up in a different way. So now we are looking for the waterfall. So take the subcategory under the rule, or you can take under the column, whatever if you're looking for. So this is like one thing, you can take it, and after that you can take the any measure. Any measure in the sense like you can take a sales altogether. I'm taking a sales under the column, okay, and just replicate the value altogether. Make it as a sort like ascending order altogether. Once you have this one, so now you have the bar chart in ascending order based on the subcategory and some of the sales. What we are looking for? We are looking for the waterfall. So now for the waterfall chart, we have the sum of sales. Go to the sum of sales, take this one and take measure as a, no, sorry, quick table calculation as a running total. So now you have the running total. As I mentioned, waterfall chart is more related to the arranging of the data in a cumulative way or the running. To more understanding, just make a subcategory sort also, like we have done the sorting on the numbers, but you can take a sorting on the subcategory and go for the sorting. Once you apply the sorting and go for the field name, go for the alphabetical order, and you can make it as a alphabetical order also. So you can arrange the data in this way. So now you have the sum of sales and everything. Now you are going to create a new field, okay? Because we are looking for the waterfall chart. So for doing this, and what is happening, waterfall chart is always related to the positive value and the negative value altogether. So you need to calculate the starting point and the ending point. In this case, you need the negative values of the sales as well. How does it compare? Just go to the this area, create calculated field, take the field name as a minus of sales, and I'm looking for the minus of sales value. Please be with me. This is the tricky part, as I said, and many things we are using. You can see. Now at the order, you can see at the bottom, it's a minus of sales has been created so far. Take this sales and drag drop under the prices. Okay. Under the automatic, under the marks, you can take a Gantt bar as well. So now your values are getting replicated as a waterfall chart itself. So this is the very tricky part because we are looking for the waterfall chart. It looks like a Gantt bar. Gantt bar in the sense like this is related to the previous node and to the next node. So that's a one objective. Sum of sales is comparing with the negative values with the positive values. What we have put it down under the sizes. Now for the comparison, we are taking the subcategory and the row. And under the subcategory, we have put it under the column and sum of sales under the rows itself. So these are the waterfall chart once you are trying to create. Okay. So once you create this one, rest of the formatting is left. Just make a height, make the title, waterfall chart, waterfall analysis, waterfall still analysis bar chart. So this is how you can make it. Control apply. To make it more nice, just go for the sum of sales number, whatever sales, and put under the labels. Okay. So now you can see the numbers as well. Hide this value altogether. Now you have the nice shape of the value, and you can go for the next level of the formatting. Like you can hide this uh, grid lines or the mark lines as well. So this is like for the waterfall chart. Kindly let me know. I'm just spreading up everything waterfall because I'm not getting the questions or the query. That's why if you have any query, I can repeat or I can do it on your machine. So we are slowly building up all the charts, whatever the complicated charts are all together. We have done the customization, we have done with the many charts kind of analysis as well. So in this case, we have used the waterfall sales analysis by subcategory. Okay.
I'm not able to make this waterfall the way you shown here, no?
Okay.
This I created some cells and then again sorted everything in the chart, but after that,
Hmm.
like
No
I
issue.
showing the stack chart, I'm not able to make that.
Okay. Okay. So please share your screen.
Maybe
Sure,
yes.
I'm sure.
Can you
I'm sharing my screen.
Yes. Please.
Please confirm once you're able to see.
Yep. Okay.
So I
So
created here
hmm.
by creating here I created create calculated field, and
Hmm.
then this is the field I created here.
Right. Right.
Uh,
So you almost reached everything. Only the one part is left. Like under the automatic, under the marks, you can see the automatic. Please select the blank part.
sure.
Yeah. So you are getting some, but it is not sorted in the like the alphabetical order. So this is the waterfall chart, what you are receiving, but it's a ascending order of the value. So go to the
Yes.
at the column, go to the subcategory,
Okay.
select this one, source, click on the source. Yeah. So this is like a sorting. Means what you can see the window is pop-up sort what on the basis of the subcategory. Sort by listed it is selected. So take this sort by uh, at the number one. You can see the sort by you can make it as a alphabet color. Yeah. So now you can see the
Okay.
exactly same what I mentioned. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
So this is like an oral concept altogether. So if you make a practice, it is easy for you because I'm available. Once you go like anyone, just for everyone, like if you go for the
But
recording, it will not such explain it. Okay. So all good. So this is all about for the waterfall chart. Allow me to share the screen once again. Okay. So this is and you can make it a color like based on your you know fantasy, like whatever the color you are liking. So we have a lot of charts all together. Now what we can do? Uh, okay. So just give me a thought. Okay. So I can add one more thing over here. I'm going to add one more filter to just
hello?
showcase. Yes.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, Abhishek, I can hear you.
Yes, what do you tell till now?
What? Sorry, I'm not getting your point.
Hello?
Yes, I
I
have.
am,
Yes,
what do you tell till now?
I have tell many things. I have tell cost of report. I have tell unit chart, pie chart,
I,
histogram,
I
waterfall.
think error in my thing, so I cannot go through the.
Your voice is breaking up, so could you please come back again?
Hello?
Your voice is breaking. Yeah. What exactly you want to ask? Could you please let me know?
So actually, I have not downloaded Tableau at. So what can I do?
Oh, you are not downloaded. Means I would say we have four sessions only. Today the like third session is going to in next 1 hour. The third session is also going to over like 75%. So you can download even at the very beginning. I can share. Just give me a second.
No,
Uh,
no.
yeah.
You share, but I cannot because
Hmm.
uh, they not getting the permission to download the Tableau.
You are not getting permission to download. This is a public. You can download anywhere, any machine.
No, sir,
Hmm.
no. They allow to go for the uh, public uh, public Tableau. So they cannot download in my this PC.
You are using your Office PC.
Yes.
Okay, so in Office PC, there are a lot of proxy servers are there, which are restrictions are provided, so you cannot
So
download directly. So you can
can you,
raise
no
you
no can you help me after the class? So
Yeah, sure. You can connect me like post searching, so we can work together to find out.